Alright, you can see a canvas here. It's completely solid wood. We're just going to draw some tree branches here, and it's going to be a nice painting. So pour something like these brush strokes. Okay, here, little bit here. In these positions. Okay. So you can see it's are like not related, but we are going to make it related later. Okay. Now take the black color and put the strokes like this one. From the top to the bottom. Another one. The trees coming up here. Okay. We're going to need little more color. Let's put the little more color here. So in this drawing you can see the combinations is getting very nicely visible. The trees, the woods, and everything's here. So these trees are like side by side. Okay, and these are the branches you can see. Okay, so see the branches here. Take the color, put the branches together. See the branches, and another one here. Okay, so these are the, you can see the lines of trees, and you can see some grasses at the bottom. At the bottom you can take more red color here, just put it on the top. Some trees you can see in a behind in the background, so those are partially visible. Okay, put a little strokes here. All right, so those are the parts of the paintings. Now you can just draw some people graphically, just having here walking. Draw some people here. Okay, so the scenery getting nice. All right, so this picture having a nice outline. Okay, so that's how you can show the people in a graphical thing. It looks like a, the winter time, and lots of fogs and mist, and some people are partially visible. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.